In this video and exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a posterior lateral foot reach. So firstly, what I want you to imagine is that you are in hip width stance and you're going to take one leg into a posterior position, which is behind the body, and laterally, which means away from the midline of the body. What that looks like is this. So I've got my standing leg that's in contact with the floor at all times. I bend that knee as I keep one leg completely straight, coming into that posterior behind the body and lateral away from the body position. So I want you to imagine it's almost like a curtsy in terms of movement, and that is how you would do a posterior lateral foot reach. Of course, repeat for your desired amount of repetitions and sets, and then you can do exactly the same thing on the other side as well.